I had to come in and stop the vlog because I was in the middle of cleaning. Well, on this clip, I was in the middle of giving Ethan a bath. I'm finished giving him a bath and we ate, so I'm pretty much ready to crash out. I have some Toddler here because my head is hurting extremely bad, so I'm about to take that and try to get some rest and finish tomorrow. Honey, these boys, something else. Well, I'm really not gonna say Raya, but Ethan is, you know, he's terrible. He's about to be 2 and he's cutting up like really bad. But I think I pretty much had my headache way before he started acting like really bad. But I just wanted to come. Then you gonna tell him bye? I love you guys and I'll see y'all later.
Hi. How you doing? I'm doing okay. Girl, I'm about to cook. I'm about to cook and clean this kitchen. Look, my hair. Look, my hair long, y'all. Don't y'all do it. Don't do it. Don't y'all do it. I wake up like this. Sometimes it's hair, y'all. Okay? Guess what? I'm going to a wedding tomorrow, so I'll definitely be looking decent on tomorrow. But today, this how y'all gonna see me. This how y'all gonna see your girl. This how y'all gonna see me. So, as you guys can see, the living room is still looking nice. Looking all nice. So, guess what? I gotta go clean this kitchen. And I gotta go cook. Girl. Let me stop being extra though, but honestly, I am going to my uncle and my auntie is getting married tomorrow. So I'm looking a little rough right now. Just wait till tomorrow, cause y'all been sticking with me while my hair just been all over my hair. But honestly, sometimes like earlier when I had to take Raya to school, I had to brush my hair up. It wasn't looking like this because I would never leave the house looking like this. So I had to put some products in my hair and brush it up. Girl, I laid in the bed with my fiance, and that's where I'm gonna keep it at. So my hair is just all over the place. You know what I'm saying? But guess what? We about to have fun. Cause guess what? I like to cook. I love to cook. I like to cook a nice hot meal. You guys want to know a fun fact about me? So I told you guys my birthday is this month. My birthday is May 21st. But guess what? You want to know a fun fact? I'm a Gemini. Girl, I went from 10 to 0 right now. Like, oh my God. I don't know. I hate when I act like that. So, like I was saying, I'm bipolar. I think I'm bipolar because I was excited literally like 10 minutes ago. And now I'm just chilling. One minute, I'm excited, the next minute, I'm like, nasty little attitude. No, I'm kidding, but no, I'm serious. I am bipolar. Y'all just seen it. Y'all just seen it for yourself. Y'all seen that I was hype. But now I'm like chilling. And So yeah, guys, y'all thought I was gonna come on here with my hair just looking crazy. No, I just put 2 quick ponytails up in there, put some water, some eco gel, and I did some baby hairs. I'm looking cute, girl. But now I'm about to go in here and clean up and cook for you guys, because I just feel like the only time I should come on here with my head looking full is when I pretty much, if I vlog waking up, that's probably the only reason, or if I'm, in bed going to sleep. But majority of the time, I'm just like, you gotta look decent, sis. You got to. You don't go to work looking like this. You don't go to work with your hair all over your head, and a lot of people are watching, and that's what. It's like, you gotta look decent. Like, you never know who's watching your channel, so just get on there looking any type of way. But it's real life. It's real life. Y'all see what I'm saying? Bipolar, honey. Alright, so we're about to get it cooking in here. Ooh, Foxy Mama. Foxy. Alright, guys. First thing first, I already have my crock pot on. I wanted to make sure it went on ahead and got hot while I was, taking my time procrastinating. And this is what I'll be cooking for dinner. So we're going to have beef roast with vegetables. And I think I'm going to put some mashed potatoes with this if we have any. And my fiance was supposed to be and brought some cornbread, but he didn't. So maybe he will bring some when he get off, because by the time he get off, honey, this is not going to be done. So, yeah.
to put it in the crock pot.
I'm definitely not feeling well. Like, I almost fell out in this kitchen, so I'm gonna try to take a little break and eat something and definitely lay down. Like, so I'm not even about to wash these dishes right now. I'll wash it later because I don't have the energy, and that's probably why I was feeling a little off when I was like, I'm bipolar, like I'm down. But I don't, if you're new to my channel, I am 3 months pregnant, and yeah, so your girl needs to eat something, and I'll be back because I don't want to fall out, and I have a 1-year-old here. It's just me and him, and I need to eat. So that's what I just drank some water, so I'm like a little okay, but I'll be back a little later, okay, once I'm feeling well.